Hi, we're Team 57. I'm Ryan.
I'm Rachel.
And so we're doing the hammer challenge. For starters, we recreated a Texas flange socket weld flange using plasticine, and this was based off of the CAD design that they had on their website.
We then used 3D photogrammetry to scan our object, and so you can see a full 360 view of it.
So some of the implications of this is that by creating a plasticine model of this, we can model how heated metal reacts and how we would form it. And with the 3D grammetry, we can use this for parts that don't have their CAD designs anymore. And we can recreate this so that we're able to model it and use machines to build it.
Show the overlay.
Yeah. And this is the overlay between our creation and the CAD design.
We also did a 3-point bend test to see how strain affected our model over time.
Mm-hmm. And here are the calculations for that. And so with that, some of the overall aspects of our project is to help build better machine learning models for instructions with creating these forged parts, and to be able to scan these, along with being able to measure and predict how certain forces would react with our forged parts. Thank you.